Bam! USB 3.0 switch. It comes with double-sided tape. It comes with adapters. Type-C adapters, great for your laptops and compatible devices. And they give you your USB to USB cables. You got a USB to Type-C cable as well. Let's take a look at the unit itself. So this is the unit itself. And you can easily press to switch over. 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports. Very sleek design. 2 more USB ports. Power on the other side. So you take this one for the power supply and then you plug it in. How this works, it just allows you to simply switch over. So if you can see here, so you'd plug this in to your computer. So you could have 2 different computers, laptops, and compatible PCs and related. And I'm going to demonstrate how this works now with my PC. Alright, I installed it underneath, back under in here. You guys probably can't see it, but I'm going to go and turn this on. So here. So we have our mic, and I want to switch the mic between different computers. And I'm going to press the switch, and it should allow me to turn this one on. There we go. So it's on. So we press the switch under here, and it switches to my main PC. And then if we want the mic for, let's say, my gaming PC, I just press the button and it switches, and it turns it off, and it switches over on my other settings here. So yeah, Switch works great for tons of things. This is just a custom do-it-yourself project that we're working on.